Well, good morning, everybody. So, if you follow me or you watch me or anything like that, you know I do pop in on installers. So they don't know, obviously, they don't even know I'm here. They don't know I'm coming. They don't know anything about this. So, crazy morning this morning. We have gone truck and trailer. Well, the truck got done yesterday. If you saw it, thanks for all the likes. Thanks for all that. Dropped the trailer off today. So the trailer is getting done today. And then we ordered some shirts today, and we got some yard signs. So we're definitely taking care of all of that. And then we dropped off Mama's car. So we got us a loaner today. So kind of enjoying it. But so we're extremely busy. We got to go back to the office and take care of some stuff. But I wanted to pop in on the guys and see what they're doing and how they're going. So let's see what they got. So I walked this job a few weeks ago, and they're having to do a whole fascia. Thanks for that like. So they're doing a whole thing across the top, and then we're going to do a little bit of painting across those windows, because when the window installers did the install, the windows weren't quite tall enough. So they ran a piece of board up there and didn't paint it. So it kind of looks tacky to us. So we're going to take care of that, and then we got to do we're doing a little bit of garage repair, just replacing some trim work on the garage, just little stuff. Like I said before, we're here, we take care of everything that we can. So while we're here, we try to take care of everything that we can, to make it easier on the homeowner. So this corner is going to get replaced, but we're able to save, they're actually saving the drip edge. So we're actually going, you see where the groove is. So when they put the fascia in there, they're going to be able to come up, attach there, attach here, and save the drip edge, so we don't have to replace it, which in turn saving the homeowner money, and we can get it in and get it out. It's where it's, it's nice, even kilter. So replacing some trim on the window. So you see everything's painted. Everything's been painted twice now. They put 2 coats on the bottom, and then when they go up to the top, they'll actually do another coat to blend in that caulk line. So here's a corner that has to be replaced. Once again, saving the drip edge, so it can be done. It is a little bit more tedious, more time consuming, but it can be done. Especially if your guys that take pride in what they do. So, well, here's one of our installers. They both wear black. See, they jacked me up. So they both wear black. They're both bald. They both have a beard. One's just a lot bigger than the other. But walking up on them when they're on a ladder kind of throws me off. I didn't know who it was. I thought it was actually, I thought it was Will actually. But no, this is Andrew, guys. If you don't know who Andrew is, he is my quarterback, my go-to. He is definitely my lead guy. He's running right now. He is running. Where you at now? 3 jobs? You got 3 jobs under construction right now?
Yep.
So he's told me he's gonna wrap this one up today. He's gonna wrap another one up, which is actually right down the street from here. The one that we did, the full, well, yeah, y'all don't even know, full awning, and we built an awning on it, and then we also did full fascia repair on that house as well. So we are wrapping it up today. Electrician's over there doing ceiling fan, and once he gets done, then we'll be able to go there and knock out a little punch list on it, and hopefully Andrew's coming to the office with a check today. And several checks today, 2 of them. So and that's what we're hoping for. That's what we're striving for. Yeah, there's the other one. So we'll go around and see what they did, what they're doing over here. So once again, window trim. We're going to fix that up, fix the bottom trim, and then we're going to do this bay window here as well. So this was a smaller job. It's not near as big as some of the ones we do, which is fine with us. We kind of enjoy them when they come, when these smaller jobs come across. We do kind of enjoy them. It's not so much so time consuming. Here's a little bit of soffit repair. She had a nasty hole up there, and we're just gonna, like I said, we're just replaced the little soffit. So let me show you how he does. I know I'm getting in your way, man. I'm sorry. Okay. But as this soffit repair, obviously we couldn't match the grain and texture, but you can see how smooth it is going back and forth. Nice clean work. Like I said, he's going to paint it, let this caulk dry a little bit, and paint it up, and that's it. And then we're going to do some trim work across there. So that's what we do, man. That's how we operate. Like I said, he's definitely the lead guy on a lot of these jobs. That being said, if you are looking for work, I know a lot of people are unemployed right now. I just hired a young lady for my front office to kind of relieve some of the burden off Jessica and myself. I just hired a young lady for the front office. She's going to be killer. We're excited to have her. And then, so if you're in the process, he's about to run that saw. You know, if you're unemployed and you're looking to get into the construction field, and you're in the San Antonio area, or you're willing to commute back and forth, like one of my installers does, the one that was just running the saw, he does commute back and forth. If you're looking for work, man, hit me up. I do demand excellence in everything that we do. You know, we are a company of integrity. All my guys are highly integral. You know, have that personal integrity to them. And we demand excellence in everything we do. So if you're looking for a job, reach out to us. We are desperately seeking helpers and other installers. There is a training process involved to become an installer, but like I said, we are desperately seeking helpers and installers to fill that role. A lot of growth coming in this company. We have grown exponentially in the last 2 months, 3 months. So like I said, we're desperately looking. The young lady coming on, she's technically already kind of started, but when she comes on, it's going to be huge. It's definitely going to be a great asset. So like I said, if you're looking to be in the construction field, if you're looking to maybe becoming an installer one day for something like what we do, we install doors, we install windows, we install fascia, we can install gutters. Sometimes, like on this one, we pulled some of the gutter off and we put it back on, you know, to get to the repair. You know, so and then we also, as Hot Shot Constructions, we sell doors and windows, sell cabinets. We also install cabinets, and then, you know, we can do other things as well. So we kind of do it all, but also stay to certain aspects. But if you're looking for a job, I know there's a lot of people out there looking for work. The money's really, really good. That's why I've been doing it as long as I have. So if you need to make some money and you're willing to do the work, like, it's hard work. I mean, you see what these guys are doing. It's not the exactly easiest thing to do, to climb 20, 30 foot, you know, ladders every day. But and working above your head and working with, you know, big lumber. It's not exactly the easiest thing in the world, but my guys, they take passion in what they're doing. I've caught them out the street at the end of the work week, looking at a house that they kick their butt all week, and they're just, you know, they're proud of what they've done. So those are the guys I'm looking for: personal integrity, self-worth, some drive, motivation, and willing to learn and be taught, as well as make some killer money. Because, you know, we typically don't work weekends. We work Monday through Friday. I'm a family man, you know. Yes, I'm a business owner, but I'm also a family man. I love spending time with my wife and kids and family. And same way with these guys. You know, they're married, got kids and all that. So I don't demand weekend work. They want to work weekends, great. Other than that, I don't demand it. So if you know this, if you know somebody, please comment, get it out to them, have them contact us, and we will, you know, interview them and go down that road. If you're looking for work, reach out to us. Same thing, man. We'll see what we can do to help you out. I'm desperately looking, because we are booked solid. I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks. Bye.